That's crazy. I was making this beat, I'm vibing to it, and I was feeling it. So I was like, why not turn on the camera and explain to you guys how I made it. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. Take this good ass energy, take it, all of it. As y'all know, I like to make things from scratch on the channel. That way like learn the most out of it. There's no point of me just like doing drums, but I got a fire ass loop from the hidden multi-kit from Beyond, link in the description. They got trap loops as well. Whew, that one hard though. But for this beat, I went over to the R&B section and I used this loop right here. First thing I did is I dropped it down 200 cents. And I'll also drop down the BPM of it. What I added then from the effects folder is this vinyl texture type of sound. I also have like this recording when I was like eating at some restaurant. I just like love to pick up random sounds and then later use them inside of my beats. This one fitted the vibe perfectly. It's not too crazy though, but I thought it was like really fire to add that in there. I cut up the loop as well. It has like a guitar. What I did is I panned it to the left, added super VHS to this, and I added some Valhalla delay as well, just like a tiny bit. I layered it with this other guitar type of sound and panned it to the right. It gives like a really wide feeling to the beat. And then with the piano, it's really beautiful. It's really a nice touch to the piano. And then we got this sort of like pad type of sound. I just turned down the volume from this, made it wider right here, the stereo separation, and then added pancake to it as well, just to make it go left and right in your ear, and all together. And then last but not least, on this loop, there's a bass in there as well. I added some Valhalla delay to the bass. I really love the drum bounce. I try to like do something different. All these sounds are from the hidden multi-kit, by the way. It has over 200 sounds in it. Everything you need to make some fire beats. So make sure to go check it out. The link is in the description. I started off with the kick pattern, which is weird. I never start with the kick. Then we've got this reverse open hat. That just creates like a lot of swing inside of the... It just like drags you into the beat, into the song, you feel me? Then we got this other open hat on like the one. To this open hat, I added some Lux reverb. Then we've got this other open hat. I just copied over the note, but I turned down the velocity gradually. It's also like really subtle. Then I was like, let's add a snare in there. You feel that groove, feel that swing in there. Like that's what you need. Everything is like sitting right, sitting perfect. I went in the one shots folder and then the high bass sounded really dirty. A little sliding note right here as well. And I cut out some frequencies on the high end and I boosted the low frequencies a little bit just to give like that power to the bass. I also added super VHS to this just to give it like a little bit more like of a playful feeling. And then I added like 2 perk sounds. I added this Congo at the end and then I also added a shaker. Like it's a sort of like snap. The first time the snare is hitting, it's not playing, and then on the second time the snare is playing, it's with the snap. Like that. And then last but not least, I added this snare sound just to like fill up the gaps in between. Oh, I like that bounce, bro. For the second part of the hook, I added a little gap right here. It had like this Naruto sound effect in there, which I thought was cool. And I also have like a bass in there, but I reversed it. And then for the verse, I added this weird kick bounce. And then right here for the bridge, It's the same kick pattern, but I added this EQ with like, I created like a little filter on this. So as you can see on the EQ is like gradually getting steeper and then closing in. And then it drops back into the hook. Yeah. Also right here, just like some transitions, just to like let the listener know something new is coming. I also added a sound shifter on the master and crystalline just to create like some extra smooth wavy vibes with some reverb in there. I love to like lately put reverb on my masters. So let me just like record a top line for you guys just to give you guys an idea what you can do with the beat. By the way, while we're waiting for the beat to render, make sure y'all go check out my Instagram. Make sure to follow me there and send me a message. How you feeling? How's your day been? What you been cooking up? Right, here we go. That's my microphone. Yo, you deserve what you've been missing. In another way, I get my phone on the way. I don't understand on the way. We can spend the time away. Don't expect too much. I'm just enjoying. Let the creativity flow. Yo, yo, yo. That shit is horrible, bro. I ain't no R&B singer, bro, because like, bro, you need to really sing on this beat, and I fumbled it so bad. This might be like my worst vocal that I ever done, bro. But I enjoyed it. Like, who cares? Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to go check out the hidden multikit. Comment down below what you want to see next, and if you're there, please leave a like if you enjoyed it. I already told you and asked you to follow me on Instagram, but I'm doing it again. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @ScottBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.